Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're grilling up some Moulard Duck Breast with a blueberry sauce and some foie gras on the arty flame. So the first thing that we want to do is prep all the ingredients for the blueberry sauce, so here's what we need to do. We want to start by peeling and finely dice 2 shallots. Then we're going to de-stem about 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme. We have a good fire going on the arty flame, so we want to place a medium-sized saucepan on the grill. And when the saucepan is hot, we're going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. When the butter is melted, you want to add the shallots and the thyme. Now we're going to saute this until the shallots are translucent. Then we want to season it with a little bit of our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Texas Boost. And we're also going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of concentrated beef stock. Last but not least, we want to add 2 cups of large blueberries. Now we're going to let this cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until the blueberries have released a lot of its liquid, but still keep their shape. Now when the blueberry sauce is cooking, we have some beautiful Moulard Duck Breast from Second City Prime that we need to trim up, season. So here's what we need to do. We want to start by carefully separating the duck breast into 2 breasts. You might want to trim the duck breast so they look a little bit more uniform. Then we're going to carefully score the fatty side of the duck breast. Make sure that you don't cut through to the meat. Then we're going to season both sides of the duck breast with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Texas Boost or your favorite SPG rub. The blueberry sauce is cooking, the Moulard Duck Breast is prepared, so it's time to throw them on the grill. Place the duck breast fat side down, and now we're going to grill the Moulard Duck Breast on the arty flame plancha until they reach an inner temperature of about 135 degrees. We're going to flip them over a couple of times to make sure that they don't burn. When they've reached the inner temperature, you want to remove them from the plancha and let them rest for 5 minutes. The duck breasts are now ready. We removed them from the grill and letting them rest for a couple of minutes. So the last thing that we want to do is get the foie gras on the grill. So we got a beautiful slice of foie gras from Second City Prime here, and we're going to score both sides carefully. And then we're going to lightly season with our Badass Texas Boost. Now we're going to grill the foie gras on both sides, and this is a quick grill. It probably won't take more than 30 seconds per side, depending on how hot the plancha is. When ready, remove from the grill. It's time to plate, and you want to start with adding a generous amount of the blueberry sauce on the plate. Then we're going to slice the Moulard Duck Breast into thin slices and place on the plate. Then we're going to add the grilled foie gras slice on top. And last but not least, we're going to garnish with some clover and alfalfa sprouts. Then the duck breast with the blueberry sauce are ready to serve. And that is how I make my grilled Moulard Duck Breast with a blueberry sauce and foie gras on the arty flame. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. And it looks pretty darn amazing. So here we go. Oh. The richness of the duck breast, you get a sweetness from the blueberry, and then a creaminess from the foie gras. This is really good. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.